Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I wanted to share this community resource that I made with you. So this is 31 landing hero sections, which is the collection of 31 hero sections for landing pages that I made over the last month. If you see the file here, it has the hero sections of different industries, different layouts, different colors, everything and it's all fully editable. You can go in and check out how I auto layout things, how I basically think about design, how I add, edit, or basically layout, how I use auto layout, how I add stuff, which stuff do I remove everywhere. So you can just go to the Figma community. I'll put the link below and go to this 31 hero landing sections link. You can or just open it. Some fonts that you need it installed are Geist, Helvetica Neve, SF Pro and SN Pro. And if you install the font, everything will be good. You can just open it, copy it, use it for your projects if you want. It's all free. And this also has components, design system, and some assets for you to use. So yeah, that's all for you. I just wanted to share this landing page resource that I made with you today. Let me know if this is helpful. Leave a heart over here if you like it, and check out all my other resources in my community page as well. I'm gonna add more things soon, so check it out.